Yep, now that I'm standing just right outside of SeaWorld, probably see pipeline going back into the station. It's not raining. You guys can't see it because it's just like misting outside, but it is raining. Not hard, but lightly, so. Well, it kind of is what it is. Here, pipeline going. Basically, the weather in Florida is just weird. It can look like it's about to rain in one spot. You won't get any rain. Say you're over in a different area, it's going to be downpouring. It's really weird to see that, but it is what it is, and I'm kind of glad that, yeah, it didn't rain. I think it is sprinkling a little bit, but that's just about it. It's going to be a good rest of our day now. Just like that, we made it to Universal. It has been raining non-stop this morning. I'll tell you guys that right now. So yesterday looking horrible. Today, a lot of rain. Finally stopped around 1. It's about like 2 something in the afternoon now. There's the new Cinnabon cart because Cinnabon closed over there. So we have made it to the Universal's Epic Preview Center, the Preview Center for Epic Universe, which is opening rumor sometime late next year. Can't wait to check this out. First off, Dark Universe, which they're going to be revealing tomorrow. I actually really love this shirt. Really cool. Love the hoodie with it. It goes in the dark as well, hoodie. Lighting in the background. The ornament with the monsters. Would be pretty cool if we get the Epic Universe and also Universal announces a Universal Monsters house. Pretty cool. And on this side, just your typical Epic Universe merchandise. You got some toothless mugs here for sale. $27. Kid shirt. Hats. A toothless popcorn bucket for $34.99, which I did get one for a whole lot more cheaper than that. It was on sale. And then some plushies. More basically the same right here. With the mug. One is on the front. Nothing on the back. I'm sure everybody has seen this, but this is my first time seeing this stuff. How to Train Your Dragon Owl Bark hat and shirt. How to Train Your Dragon lanyards. Some collectible magnets. Pins. Very cool stuff to see. And phone cases too. Actually, How to Train Your Dragon Land is one of my favorites to see. And of course, Harry Potter. It doesn't really look like there's that much stuff here. Not really whatsoever, neither. Super Nintendo World. There we go. You got the Mario hat, Yoshi hat, and Luigi's on the other side. You got the pillow. Pretty cool. Ooh, that feels nice. Pretty cool. I like it. Super Nintendo World. Bound Bowser. You can really start seeing some Peaches right about now. Or a bigger Bowser.
I only felt 30 because look at the color. But the hats are 40.
Then,
Yeah, put the hat on.
there you go. Turn down to world pins.
Are you okay? No, no, ya sigue piquito de.
So this is pretty cool. Got this some editing, but look, you got a Mario, Boo, the mushrooms, and Luigi headbands, and one Princess Peach for the headbands for the girls. Pretty cool. I like this. Probably one of the most anticipated lands because this is going to be the land that's going to be opening up with Donkey Kong Country, but no Donkey Kong merchandise, which is interesting. Basically in towards the back of the park, the hotel. Oh, main entrance is right here. QR code to scan things. Hold on. I believe that is How to Train Your Dragon Land right there.
Oh, is that how you get the thingy? Oh, the little arrow. Can I?
This is your backside of Donkey Kong Country with Super Nintendo World. Looks really cool. And yeah, this is really cool to see and look at. Dark Universe right there. Looking forward to that land as well. Speaking of Dark Universe, there you go. That land is going to be pretty cool, I think. That whole new theme park's going to be really cool. And again, tomorrow they are announcing Dark Universe. I'm excited for that. And the moment that I get out of the store, it starts raining. So let's cut through the Universal Studios store. There's just something different about Hard Rock Cafe, which I can't put my finger on. I think it got a fresh paint layover or something. It looks different now. Well, sooner rather than later, we're actually going to have new marquees on this archway. Maybe, I won't say towards the end of August, but closer to the end with preview nights coming up for Horror Nights. Especially because they literally just announced, again, 5 houses. And then the 6th one being A Quiet Place. And then the Halloween Horror Nights 33 marquee. Just take the streets of Hollywood. I really don't know which way I want to go, to be honest. First up, the 5 and Dine with new Halloween Horror Nights merchandise, which would involve everybody's favorite little pumpkin, Little Boo's back. Pretty cool. $20 for this ornament. I feel like this would be more like 15. Coaster for 12. Reasonable. And the shirt artwork, very nice. Looks like they have other designs as well right now. A little bit for Bill and Ted here now. Pretty cool. Treatment store. Kind of curious to know when they're going to announce Ghostbusters. And maybe even a Creature from the Black Lagoon haunted house. We had the Comedy House last year with Chucky. Oh. Pretty cool little Easter eggs here from Halloween Horror Nights with Slaughter Cinema. Kind of curious how they're going to do Slaughter Cinema 2 this year. These brothers looks like. Are you going into the arcade? Do you have any Stranger Things going on in here? Laser Dragon, I think more like Dueling Dragons, please. I love the Easter eggs with it. Oh, wow. Pretty cool. You got Jaws here. E.T. Ghostbusters. They have to announce this house eventually. Might be the last one they announce, actually. And with some uneasy clouds up high in the sky, we have come along our first Halloween Horror Nights construction update. Here with our Cafe La Bamba and into Central Park. This gets me excited for Halloween Horror Nights now. They are starting to change the park around over. And actually, Central Park is one of my favorite scare zones. It's more dark and creepy. Pretty cool. Very cool to see all this fun stuff up now. Starting towards the end of August, so it is pretty cool to see all this stuff up now. Loving it. Got a little thing right up there on top of the SpongeBob store. Where Woody Woodpecker's Pizza was. That used to be where you get the pizza fries during Halloween Horror Nights. I don't know if it's going to return there or not this year, just because it's now part of DreamWorks. You don't see anything scary going on in DreamWorks land, honestly. I like the new sign for E.T.'s Adventure as well. Wait tempo still isn't working, but here comes the rain. Right as I was about to enter DreamWorks land, which I'm technically really am in. I ain't gonna lie, this land is pretty cool. We're here for Halloween Horror Nights construction update, but this is my first time actually seeing DreamWorks land. Kung Fu Panda training camp right down there again. We'll probably check that out a different day. The old Barney fountain, now a Trolls fountain. Oops, sorry guys. It's pretty cool to know that DreamWorks Land you can also grab a nice cold beer. I like that. So we do know that in Central Park, they have started construction for Halloween Horror Nights. Pretty cool to know, and I'm gonna take a guess. Nowhere else has started yet, but I could be wrong. It's just, it's raining, but it's like, it's going down, coming down heavy, but then just letting up. And everybody's ran for cover. And, oh, wow. I guess Universal is finally tired of this. It's just to the point that there are two haunted houses right back here. And either they have gotten rid of some trees or they're trying to cover up this area so you guys can't take pictures of what the facades of the houses look like. Oh no, it's not a great idea. It's perfect right there. In my case, what I would say. But it looks like some trees have been removed as well. But who knows? And right outside of Diagon Alley, you got another lighting truss right there. And I am expecting this year for them to put food stands at. Because last year, when there wasn't any food stands, yeah, that kind of hurt them, I think. Because there's a lot of people who were wanting foods, and some of the wait times for half of the lines were just ridiculously long. And no props outside of the lanes yet, which I want to guess inside of Diagon there's going to be no props. They can wait until after July 4th weekend to finally put them out for the Death Eaters that will roam outside of London and inside of Diagon Alley like they did last year. Yep, even in San Francisco, they have started putting up light supports and light truss up here for your viewing areas. Very cool to see this. This is always the most crammed scare zone, so hopefully they can do something fun with this. Very nice to see. There's a lot of construction walls up around here. But I'm also kind of curious to know if you're in Fast and Furious, if that house has gone up, which I'm going to guess it has been. I walked this way just a tad bit here, and I can zoom in. There's a light truss post right there. And I'm going to guess that the tent is up. Couldn't really tell from the angle, and I'm just going to move forward to keep walking on. The streets of New York. This is a more bigger one. Hopefully soon we'll be checking some stuff out. I don't really see nothing much now. Yeah, there's really nothing new up yet. Or not even checked out yet for 4 nights over here. Just brilliant lighting that's kind of up year round. That's basically it. No new lighting that I can see. This area is empty. Oh, and Mummy is closed for scheduled maintenance. Interesting, that's why this area is not busy. Don't know how long this is gonna be down for, but it's down. This area is just emptied. Nothing really too new here for horror nights yet. There's one more place that would actually just be just right here. And there's no lighting truss up yet back here. It is starting to rain again, but there's a Minions photo op out here. Oh man, it's raining. Might be a chance to go hide somewhere real quick. Wait for this to go away. Oh, lovely.